you move it on the y-axis?
Then it doesn't spike out. It's only when you move it on X that starts going all mad.
Okay, do you want to change it to y?
Sure. That's on Excel, right?
Accelerometer.
On Y,
Which way is y?
if you move it in the way that X, it won't do anything, but if you move it like that, that's Y, because it spikes out considerably. If I move it any other way, it doesn't really do much of anything.
Okay, well, it's about z.
Z is, if I can get over to it, Z is, for lack of a better word, like front back. So if I move it like this, it doesn't really do much. Move it like that, doesn't really do much. But if I do this, it spikes out.
Z-axis.
Yep.
So what if you put all three on this data logger at the same time, and we took it to the amusement park and rode a roller coaster?
Well, if we did that, then it'd probably be logging exactly how fast you're moving in any one direction. For example, if I was just to move this thing out randomly, you can see that all three of them recording the same thing, while recording different things at the same time, tend to intersect with one another pretty fast. And then as soon as I stop moving, everything levels out.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not moving, now go forward.
Alright, I'll also do a little couple zigzags here just to spice things up a little.
Go drop down. And pop back up. What if you just stop moving?
Well, then it all just evens out.
Okay, and now go around and like pretend you were like turning, like you were doing a 360.
Oh, you are not helping me right now.
Okay, and then stop.
There we go.
Now come around one more time and then just go up and down. Like if you were going off a jump, so jump.
Oh.
Jump. You can get like airtime on that.
Yeah, I could.
If the dog would stop chasing your feet. There you go.